Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Cop. Cop means police officer. For example, perhaps we need some courtesy cops on the motorways today. Perhaps we need some courtesy cops on the motorways today. Synonyms: policeman, policewoman, officer of the law.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Perhaps we need some courtesy cops on the motorways today. Now, repeat after me. Perhaps we need some courtesy cops on the motorways today. The second exemplar. 3 cops sat on the table next to it, watching him. Now, repeat after me. 3 cops sat on the table next to it, watching him. The third exemplar. This was roundly contradicted by the top cop responsible for traffic policing. Now, repeat after me. This was roundly contradicted by the top cop responsible for traffic policing.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.